How to become the best version of yourself. 1. Awakening. Every day is a new chance. You can stay the same or take one small step toward a better you. But everything begins with one simple choice, the choice to change. Every day is a new chance to start again. 2. Self-awareness. To become better, you first have to understand who you are right now. Stop for a moment. Look honestly at yourself. What brings you joy and what holds you back? It's not about judging yourself. It's about being honest. Awareness is the first step toward change. 3. Set a goal. Without a goal, there's no direction. Define what you truly want. Not just to be better, but something specific, to be healthier, more confident, calmer, or freer. Let your goal inspire you, not pressure you. Your goal is the compass of your life. 4. Start small. Big changes begin with small steps. 5 minutes of meditation, a short walk without your phone, one kind act each day. You don't have to change everything at once. Just begin. Ladder. Start small, and momentum will follow. 5. Stay consistent. The secret to progress isn't motivation, it's discipline. Motivation comes and goes. Habits stay. Make progress a part of your daily routine. Do it every day until it becomes who you are. 6. Don't fear mistakes. Mistakes aren't failures. They're lessons. Every misstep makes you stronger, as long as you learn from it. Don't give up when you fall. Just get back up. A mistake is progress if you learn from it. 7. Surround yourself with growth. You become like the people you spend time with. Stay close to those who inspire you, not those who drag you down. Feed off the energy of people who believe in themselves and in you. Surround yourself with people who help you grow. 8. Love the journey. Becoming your best self isn't a race. Sometimes it's hard, sometimes it's boring. But those are the moments when you grow the most. Enjoy the process because every step makes you stronger. The journey matters more than the destination. 9. Be the example. When you become better, you inspire others to do the same. You become a light for those just beginning their journey. That's how a better world starts. With one person choosing to shine. Be the light, and others will shine with you. Final scene. Today is the day. Remember, the best version of you isn't perfect. It's simply you believing that you can become more. Start today. Start with yourself. The best tomorrow begins with what you do today.